So what's up guys, welcome back to another brand new vlog guys. So guys, in today's vlog we are about to do a lot of exciting things guys. So first of all, my new Amazon delivery is coming guys. I have ordered something new from Amazon which I am waiting from a really almost 2 months guys, and at last it is arriving today. So as you can see guys, my new, I guess you can't see the object, it is a PS5, brand new PS5 DualSense controller guys, to connect to my PC guys. I wanted this from a really long time because for recording, not only for recording, even for playing guys, the voice of my keyboard is too much. So I could buy red switches also, but controller is actually easy to handle guys. So I bought this controller. Now one more thing is that today Ryan Roof is gonna come near my home and we are going for a movie guys, the Batman. It just got released on Thursday and today is, by the way, Saturday guys, 5th March, and you people are showing a lot of support to the Expo Vlog Part 1. So Expo Vlog Part 2 will also come really soon guys. Don't worry, it is about to come tomorrow, means Sunday on 6th March. Don't forget to watch this, and I hope you will like the vlog part 2 also, and make sure to like this vlog also. So let's get ahead. So my movie is around 4 o'clock guys, and 4 o'clock, and Ryan will come around 3 o'clock over here. From here we'll go to the mall for the movie, and let's see if our controller comes before that, and if it comes after that, no problem, we'll unbox that afterwards, or if it comes before the time, before the movie, we'll unbox it then itself. So I'm really excited. It's on the way, it's out for delivery, it's on the way guys. So yeah, so let's see. Now I'm gonna go and fresh up, and I'll see you after getting fresh up guys. So yeah, so guys, right now I'm fresh guys, and the time right now is 11:20 guys basically, and I was just cleaning my PC little bit. This mat, no guys, it gets dirty very fast, so I was just cleaning this on the PC little bit, cleaning the mirrors and the monitor. Still left to do some. So guys, in Amazon now it's gonna arrive before 8 p.m. as usual. So usually they have a time from morning 8 to 9 a.m. 8, they can deliver it at any time, but mostly they deliver around like 2 p.m. or something like that. Early only, they never do late. Amazon is really great in delivery and all guys, so that's good. And let's see when it comes guys. So guys, right now I checked again with Amazon, and it says that it'll arrive by 8 p.m. only, I guess, in the night. So that's okay guys, because 4 o'clock show, no, so it's around 3 hour movie only, so I'll come by back 7:38 only. That's fine. So right now time is 1 guys, so I'm just waiting and just doing some time pass guys, and yep, so let's see guys. So guys, I was thinking a lot about this, and I got some suggestions from some people that should I do vlogging in Hindi and recording normal videos will come in English only. Should I do my vlogging in Hindi, because nowadays a lot of people are doing in Hindi only. So you people can comment down, should I do my vlog in Hindi or English? You like it in English only, or do you like it in Hindi? Whatever guys. So yep, I hope that is nice. So let's stay tuned guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe guys. I'm requesting a lot. We are 220, we are there itself from a long time, so if it's possible, please make it guys. Let's make it to 300. I'm really gonna be excited. The feeling of getting 1k subscribers is a lot guys, but even you won't get happiness if you get like 1 million subscribers also, at the amount of happiness you get at 1k, because that's like an first achievement you have done. So please let's reach to 300 subscribers guys. Please subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. So guys, at last my package is here guys. I thought there was just a bell, and I just opened and they were like, are you Prime guys? At last our controller is over here guys, so I'm finally ready to unpack this. So I can't just wait. So let's start unpacking this, guys. So guys, right now we're gonna unpack this Amazon package, guys. So let me just, yeah, there is, thank god this is easy to open a little bit. Oh guys, so yep, this is open. I don't know why do they have to put such a big tape, man. Okay, it's not gonna tear very much, in a gentle way. Oh no. Okay guys, yeah, almost done. Last days, I can't wait to open this. I'm waiting for this almost from 2 months, guys. At last those 2 months hard work is done, guys. And here is our controller, guys. Official PS5 controller, guys, at last. It's a wireless dual shock controller, guys. Wireless controller. Even we can use it with our C type and A type wire, guys. We can use wire also, we can use wireless also with Bluetooth. And I have ordered in black color, guys, because white color was not available. It was out of stock. Black color was good, so I got black color. And yeah guys, this is the box. As you can see, it looks like this from out, and you have PS5 logos over here. So let's unbox this, guys. So guys, this, I'm opening it right now, guys. Took out the tape and I'm just unstoppable, guys. Right now I just can't wait to see the controller. And I don't know why do they do such a tight pattern. They want to make the customer wait for long. Okay, yeah, so there's a box over here. I just don't want to tear the box, guys, because in case if you have to return. Okay, so it's a box like this. Let's open it, guys. Okay, so here is our controller. So let's keep it over here. Here's the book, which no one reads, and I guess nothing else there. So this all we'll keep it over here, guys, for now. And yep, this is the controller. So yeah guys, as you can see, controller is over here, guys. PS5 controller. The feeling of touching it is like different, guys. So yeah, it's like perfect to use the PC, guys. It's like seriously perfect. So over here I have a C type plug, so I can just connect this to my PC and use it. It will be charged also that time, and we can use it wireless also. So I'm really excited. So let's try connecting it to my PC first, guys. So yeah. So guys, I have finally paired my controller with my PC, guys. Now it's time to play some games and check, guys. So guys, after a really hard work, I had to install some drivers to connect this. As you can see, guys, now I am controlling the whole GTA 5 with my controller, guys. It's a really good feeling. Actually, the thing is, if you want to connect it to your Steam you can directly connect, but then in Steam you can't play all games, no, right? So with a driver I have to install for PS5, which you can play any game with that now. So I'm feeling really nice now, and at last I can play games with my controller and record silently and play easily. So that's good. And the time right now is 1:30, guys. So Brian will come in 1.5 hours more. So until that much time, we'll just enjoy, guys. So stay tuned, huh? So let's see. So guys, I'm finally really satisfied and happy with this controller, guys. It's really good to pair, and even I can connect it with my wire. And I played GT and all. I played Rocket League, everything I played with this except Valorant, because Valorant will get banned if you play with this. But then guys, it is amazing, guys, and it is affordable also. It is at good price from Amazon. So I love this, guys. This is like one of my dream come true. And I just talked to Ryan. Now it's 2:07. He's gonna arrive in like 10, not 10, sorry, he's gonna arrive at 3 o'clock. So yeah, most probably more 50 minutes, guys. So at last everything is going so well. I hope the movie is also good, because as per the rating it is 8.9 rating out of 10. So that's, I guess, very good rating for a DC movie, and Batman that too. So let's see, guys. So yep, stay tuned. So guys, right now Ryan called me. He's on his way. He's about to reach, and now we're gonna leave for city center. It's the time right now is 2:50. So yeah, we have about around 70 minutes left right now. So let's go and get our tickets by going there. And yeah, the theater is not that full, but then the upper part is full where we booked. So that's nice. Yeah, let's check out. Guys, right now I'm in the theater with Ryan, and guys, the trailer is going on of Multiverse of Madness, and that's awesome. So I'll see you after watching the movie, guys.
Why? You got something to tell us? Yeah! You think you made a mistake? Yes, you made mistakes.
So guys, right now we just finished with the movie and we're sitting here at the car dashing area. So yeah, me and Ryan is playing, so I'll see you after that. So guys, Ryan is playing this. I'm playing this one, guys. Yeah, so this is the game. Well, let's start with it, guys. So yeah, so guys, at last Ryan went back to his home with a taxi, guys, and I'm going back to my home. Basically from city center I walked only and come, guys. But while coming, when I was going to city center, I was in a hurry because our show was 4 o'clock and it was already 3:45, 3:50. So that's why we came in a car. Otherwise, usually I walk and come, guys. So right now, guys, the time is 7:30 and I'm gonna go back to home, edit the vlog also. And guys, stay tuned. Tomorrow the Expo 2020 part 2 will come. Now until you watch this, you have already watched that before this vlog comes. That's not a problem. But yeah, it's gonna come on Sunday, 6th March, guys. And let's go back to home and play a little bit of games, guys, because I want to take a whole enjoyment of that controller. So yeah. So guys, I forgot to give the review of the movie actually, but the movie was really good, guys. The review 8 out of 10 is actually worth it for the movie. The issue with the movie in the starting, it's really boring, guys. There's nothing much in the starting, but in between the climax and all, it's fantastic, guys. I guess this is the first Batman movie I liked a lot. But still, guys, I'm a Marvel fan and still I support Marvel only. But please, for God's sake, DC fans, do not come and start fighting for no reason. Marvel is different, DC is different, guys. Marvel is good in their side, DC is good in their side. So both are equal only. So yeah, I'm almost reached to my home, guys. So I've seen my home. So guys, basically one more thing I wanted to say. I thought that I'm gonna go to home and try to record a gaming video right now, guys. My first gaming video was my controller. So let's see how does the video come. And you guys can comment down in the vlogs also from now at which gameplay do you people need. I have a lot of games, guys, but then I don't know which game to record because some games people like, on some gameplays I get a lot of views, some gameplays I don't get views at all, some gameplays I get minimum views. So you have to comment on which gameplay you people want the most. Like for example, Minecraft people like a lot, GTA you people like a lot, but then a lot of games people don't like Among Us and all. So for that you have to say me, guys. So guys, right now I just got freshed up, guys. I took a bath and came, and right now I'm going to sit to edit, guys. So guys, I hope you like this vlog, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's make it to 300 subscribers, and I'll see you in my next vlog. 3 to 4 videos, 3 videos max. 3 videos I'll put in a week, maybe more than that also. So guys, yeah, I'll be seeing my next vlog, guys. Goodbye.